ITUA ria igoti riria rikinyanirio umuthi niritikiretie arigitani guikara thi na kwaraniria na thirikari ihinda-ini ria thiku 30 hari gwetha kihonia kia mathina maria matumite arigitani maige miro yao thi. ITUA ria umuthi niriteanirie mikana iria arigitani makoretwo makirutirwo ni thirikari ya kumoria kwamba gucokereria wira mbere ya kwaririria undu o wothe. Atongoria ngwataniro-ini ya KMPDU makiuga nimaiganiire na itua riu na matigwitikira kuguoyohio.
Ndagitari cio maratuika marihwo mbeca nyingi no mbeca icio mararihwo no iria matũraga marihagwo koguo hatiri kindu turauga gicenjio turauga mongererwo no turauga matige gucenjio nacio ti arutwo ni andu mararuta wira na mekurihwo kuringana na wira mararuta.
All those shocks letters, all the intimidations or the threats that they were giving remains hot air, and therefore there's no any aspect of there's no anything that will bring a resolution to this strike other than sitting down. We also said that they also brought out the issue of the minimum service despite the strike.
Mwandiki munene kiama-ini giki kia arigitani Davzia Tera akinyiriirie ati mugomo wa arigitani no guthie na mbere ona gutuika ni mehariirie guikara thi na thirikari angikorwo mendekithia mao ni megukinyanirio.
You can't tell interns that because they are self-sponsored or whichever way they used to get through university that now they are not entitled to any form of stipend or payment. That counts to discrimination. That's not acceptable. We are all doctors. We went through the same teaching processes.
No ndagitari acio mararehetwo ni kuma bũrũri manaja na gutire mundu wigiririku wao na koguo ona horo cio kiro igoti-ini wa kuga othe meherio tona kuria marahetwo wira maragwire matinahota kuonania kuhituka kwao kana kunana moe wira.
Oho muigite gutire motungata megucokereria thibitari-ini cia muingi nginya riria thirikari irionania wendi na kinyanirie mendekithia ma arigitani.
For us to have any meaningful minimum services in any hospital, we must have a meeting, we must have a sitting. But as it is now, all the doctors are out until governments call for that meeting. As we will wait, whether it takes 60 days, whether it takes 100 days, as long as it takes, because we are out for a reason. We didn't go on strike for fun.
Handu-ini ha KMPDU ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.